Hello my dear friends, today I am going to tell you how to make a Google form. Through that you can take the subjective exam. Means this is the online time and we are taking we have already taken the several exams. But these exams are MCQ and now we want to conduct the subjective exam or just like a pre-board or something because the board examinations is coming by. Okay. So what you have to do, first of all you have to start the Google Chrome. In a Google Chrome you type here forms dot, and I'm showing everything through the mobile so that you can make it anytime anywhere. So forms.google.com. Here you have to give the proper title, and I'm giving here title is the 12 maths pre-board. I'm writing here 12 maths pre-board. Okay, and now I'm giving this title here also. It's already coming, so through this I'm going to edit it. This is the class 12. Okay, and now I'm putting here one gender. Yeah, this is the subject maths and exam name pre-board. Okay, so exam name pre-board 1. Okay, now we are going to ask some questions from the student, and that is the first question is and that we want to ask from students, that is the examination roll number. Examination roll number. Okay, it's on you want to ask or not, and the type of the answer is, it's not the MCQ, it is the short answer. Okay, and this is the required field. Now I'm going to add the same, so I'm clicking on the duplicate. I'm making a copy here by clicking on this. Okay, by this rectangles, if you click you will get the duplicate and examination roll number. And now I'm going to write here admission number. What I'm going to write? Admission number. Okay, so this is the admission number and it is also required field. Now I'm going to ask the name of student, okay, and this is also good. And now we are going to ask class and section, class and section. And class and section, this answer we can get it like a multiple choice, and we can provide the option here. The students will just need to choose 12 science, and suppose there is another class also, suppose students are taking the options of math also, so you can give the 12 commerce, and if there is only one section then leave it, no problem. Okay, so 12 science and 12 commerce. Next is the date and time, so I'm just asking date, and here automatically it's going to convert as a date type. So you can see this is the date type. Okay, so almost the basic information which you want to ask from the students: examination roll number, admission number, name of a student, class and section, date, these all things are done. Now this is the time to take the another question. So I'm going to click on the plus sign, and here I'm writing upload answer sheet. Okay, so upload answer sheet, and now we have to click on the multiple choice, and this time I'm not going to select the multiple choice text box. I'm going to select the file upload options. Which option? This is the file upload. Now they are going to ask something from you. Upload the files to Drive. Files will be uploaded to the Forms Owner Google Drive. Forms Owner means it is uploaded on your own Google Drive. Respondent will be required to sign in to Google when file upload questions are added to a form. Make sure to only share this form with people you trust. Okay. So now here you have to click on the continue. Okay, click on the continue, and then it's going to ask you some informations. Allow only a specific file types, means I'm not going to allow the students, they can upload the Word file, image file, any file. I want to upload a specific file. And what is the file? That is the PDF only. What is the file? That is the PDF only. Maximum number of files, that is only one file is allowed to upload, and maximum size is 100 MB. It is the more enough, and this make it compulsory, make it required film. Don't forget to put on, click on the required, so that the students must have to upload a file. Okay, so this much information I think it is required for conducting the subjective examination. And now you have to share the question paper through the on your WhatsApp, or you can send it on mail also, or like this way. Okay, so now my form is ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this and I'm going to check the settings. I'm going to check the settings. And here one thing you can do, you can collect the email address. The maximum size of the files uploaded are 1 GB. It's okay. Presentation, show links to submit, no, students will not allowed. And here I'm going to write the thanks. Okay, quiz, it is not a quiz, it is not a quiz, we are not going to assign any marks. Okay, limit to one response, you can do that, then in that case they have to sign it. Okay, and now we are going to click on the save button. Okay, so my form is ready, and if you want to share the link of this form, and if you want to view it, so just click on this, you will see. No, this is the sending the link, so you can share the link through this, you can make this shorten. And now this is the copy link. Okay, so link is copied here, and further what you will do, you have to just open the WhatsApp, where and how you want to share the link, it is up to you. And I'm suggesting you open the WhatsApp. I'm opening the WhatsApp. I'm going on the my additional another number, so I'm just clicking the one person's name here, and I'm going to share this link to him. Okay, just I'm pasting this, and now the Vinod is able to give this exam, and they are able to upload the answer sheet on that. Okay, in the next video I'm tell you how to upload this. So now your form is ready. The next time what happen, whenever you are getting any response, you have to click on the response button, and you will see the responses here. So just after putting some response, I'm going to